Today, we're tackling something that's probably been on your mind for a long time. Why you can't speak English yet. If you're struggling with speaking, you're not alone. A lot of learners face this. And in this video, we'll figure out why and how to fix it. Now, let's think about it this way. Imagine trying to get strong by going to the gym, but never actually lifting any weights. Or you want to play a sport, but you only watch others practice and never pick up the ball yourself. Sounds a bit silly, right? Well, learning English works the same way. If you don't practice speaking, it's almost impossible to get better. You can study all the grammar, learn a ton of vocabulary, but if you don't use the language, it won't improve. So, the first reason why you might not be able to speak English well is that you're not practicing enough. You might be learning new words or grammar rules, but if you're not using them in real conversations, it's hard to improve.
It's important to practice speaking daily, even if it's just a little bit. You don't need hours of practice. Just talk to yourself in English or try short conversations with a friend.
Here's a tip. Start with a go practice speaking for 5 minutes a day. You can talk about your day, describe something around you, or repeat what you heard in English. Start small and you'll see improvements. Next, many learners are afraid to speak because they're worried about making mistakes. I get it. No one likes feeling embarrassed, but making mistakes are part of the process. Every mistake means you're one step closer to getting it right.
I know it's hard, but trust me, don't let fear hold you back. If you're scared to speak, you won't practice, and that will stop your progress.
Here's my tip. Embrace your mistakes. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Mistakes help you learn. Try speaking with a language partner or even recording yourself so you can hear and correct your mistakes. It's all part of your learning. Another reason you might not be able to speak English well is that you're not using English in your daily life. It's easy to study English in class or online, but if you don't apply it to real-life situations, it won't feel natural.
Start using English for everyday tasks. Order food in English, ask for directions, or even talk to yourself about what you're doing. The more you use English, the more comfortable it will feel.
Make English a part of your daily life. It doesn't have to be big conversations at first. Even small sentences like, "Can I have a coffee?" or "Where is the bus stop?" will help you build confidence. You might also be struggling because you're not listening to enough English. Listening to native speakers or advanced learners can help you learn how the language sounds in real life.
Listening helps you get used to the flow of the language. It helps you with pronunciation, understanding slang, and even figuring out how people structure their sentences.
Try to listen to English for at least 10 minutes a day. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or follow English-speaking social media accounts. The more you listen, the easier it will be to speak naturally. Let's talk about motivation. If you're not feeling motivated, it's going to be hard to speak English confidently. Without clear goals, it's easy to feel lost or stuck.
You need to know why you want to learn English and set specific goals. This gives you the energy to keep going, even when things get tough.
Set a clear, achievable goal. It could be as simple as having a 5-minute conversation in English by the end of the month. Celebrate your progress, and this will keep you motivated. If you're not speaking enough, it's hard to improve. You can read all the grammar books, watch tons of videos, but speaking is where it all comes together.
Make English a daily habit and speak whenever you can. Don't wait until you're perfect to start speaking. Start now and improve as you go.
Try finding a language partner to speak with. If that's not possible, practice speaking to yourself. Record yourself, listen to it, and try to improve. Speaking is key to fluency. So, what's the solution? It's simple. Practice, practice, practice. But also, apply what you learn in real life. Remember, English is a journey, not a race. Take it one step at a time and you'll see results. Thanks so much for watching. If you feel like you can't speak English yet, don't worry. Start practicing today. Make small goals and celebrate every improvement. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tips. Leave a comment below about what's been holding you back, and I'll help you out in the next video. See you soon! Happy learning! Bye!